Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove two-factor authentication on Fortnite. And the first thing you have to do is from your Fortnite account, which is www.fortnite.com, click on the top right corner where your name is, the nickname is, click on account. So take you to the account settings. Then from here, by the left hand side here, click on password and security, and then you can see the description. I want to disable it. So we want to disable it. You click on the three dots in front of it and click on remove. And click on confirm by clicking on remove. Don't forget to make your account very secure. Click on remove. And that's it. So once you've removed it, you've turned off two-factor authentication on your Fortnite account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this we put up every day. Thanks for watching.